Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Big Lots to go over more furniture pieces. Oh yes, we're on a roll here. So hey, if that's something you want to see, stay tuned. This is a beautiful dining room set here, guys. It is the 7-piece Nutley center dining table slash bar. It is $700 and OMG, it is so beautiful. So let me check out the cushion. Yes, nice cushion. Oh, the chair is so sturdy. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, that chair is not going anywhere, guys. Wonderful, wonderful item. Only $700. And look at this design here. Oh, I like this. Look at the little specks right here and then the lines right here. I like that. I like it. I like it, guys. Leave in the comments below, guys, if you like this piece. It's lovely. And just so you know, this cabinet right here, you can put this cabinet like in a little corner or something, like in your kitchen. It's pretty. It is the kitchen pantry, Lincoln White, for $100 compared to $220, guys. So yes, that goes perfectly. Perfectly. Oh yes, we got a combo here. Okay, this beautiful light gray swivel reclining chair. It is $200. How beautiful, right? Oh my goodness, this is nice, guys. And then the little ottoman right next to it, or a little bin. Let's see what this is. You can sit on it, I don't know. Yep, it has an opening in there. You can sit on it, and you can also store items in this. So I'm gonna look for the price and I'll put it on the screen if I find it. So yeah, these two pieces goes together perfectly. Oh yeah, and oh my goodness, look behind it, guys. Do you see this sofa here? Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. I can just go take a nap right now with the music on, the lights on, and everybody walking. It's so nice. I think I'm gonna take a seat on this one. Let me just sit and see what it's like. Oh yes, oh yes, it's not too soft and it's not hard at all. It's gonna keep its shape. It is so comfortable. Big huge pillows, guys, toss pillows and all. So yes, let's see what this is. This set is by Broyhill. It is the Leyland Wood sectional for $1,800 compared to $2,650. Oh my goodness, guys, do you see how wide these seats are? Two people, two regular size. Two people can sit on each chair, each cushion. Yes, at least two. Minus the one in the middle because it's a little bit smaller. That one right there. This gray two-piece is by Broyhill and it is called Fall River Mineral Sofa. The sofa is $600 and oh my goodness, look at all of those pillows, guys. Ooh-wee. The love seat is $560. I absolutely love this one as well. Oh man, look how thick those pillows are. And the compared price on this love seat, guys, is $1,100. This cute accent chair goes really well with this set as well. $250. How beautiful. Gorgeous. Nice legs on this one as well. Okay, now this piece here, guys, it is another beautiful sectional here. This one is by Broyhill and this one is the Glen Cove sectional linen for $1,400 compared to $1,500. Another beautiful piece. Another Broyhill sectional. It is the Dudley sectional in smoke for $1,300 and this one is compared to $1,700. Okay, now this two-piece set here, we have a love seat and a sofa. This one is by Ashley. Okay, this is the Alaris sofa. It is $400 and the love seat is $390. Another wonderful find here at Big Lots. Oh goodness, look at this cutie pie here. This decorative pillow, how cute is this? $15, guys. So cute. This accent chair is by Broyhill. It is the Glendale Gray accent chair and it is $300. Peyton Fossil sofa with pillows for $500. The pillows, guys, goes with the chair. Okay, so I see what they're doing. The pillows matches the ottoman and the accent chair. Again, the sofa is 500, the round ottoman is 200, and the accent chair, it is 300. I absolutely love it. This sectional here, it is by Ashley, and I like it. It is the Mabella sofa chase in dusk for $800. Cosmo Living single counter stool for $140. Well, alrighty, let's move along, guys. Let's look at these murals here. Ooh, wait, Big Lots. Okay. So the rattan bamboo stool, they are $50. The murals, let's see. This one is $35. I do not see the price on that one, but it should be around the same price. If it's at Big Lots, it's affordable. Oh yes, thought I'll show you those pieces too. Broyhill console marble top mango with drawers is $300. Oh yes. Nice legs as well. Marble top. This one is by Broyhill. It is the Zaya sectional in charcoal for $1,400. Suede material, kind of, sort of, but it's not. It's lighter than suede. But yeah. And remember, guys, you can lease to own here at Big Lots. No credit needed. 90-day purchase options. And yeah, here at Big Lots, a lot of different ways to purchase the furniture here, which make it so much easier, so much fun. 32-inch antique red 4-drawer console. It is $100. Yep, all of the drawers works. And it has this little bottom here where you can store other items. Oh yes, I like that. This is a cute little 24-inch white wood saddle single stool for $30. Okay guys, this 3 drawers mesh cart, it is $80. Oh yep. Okay, this 2 sliding door cabinet in beige and white is $100. Ooh, yes. I like how the doors close on this one. Oh yes. Real Living rectangular storage ottomans, they're $40. It's in this beautiful gray, light gray, dark gray, kind of like a little blue in this one, and then this blue and cream right there. And this beautiful 44-inch espresso corner TV stand is $80. Yes, guys, they have beautiful rugs over here at Big Lots. They are by Broyhill, and they are a 6x9. And they're $150. So let's go through. They have a few new ones over here, so we're gonna quickly see what they have. This first one is definitely new here. That one, an oldie but a goodie right here. Yes. Ooh, I like this one with the little tassels on the end. Cute, cute. We have this one and this one. Yeah. $150, guys, let me tell you. High quality, several different options to pay. Hey, does it get any better than that? No, 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 no. Only here at Big Lots, guys. I love it. Okay, guys, so hey, check this out. Here at Big Lots is a motion air adjustable foundation. Oh my goodness. So the queen size would be $700 and the king is $950. Well, I like that. Oh, we're getting fancy now, guys. Oh yes, 6 to 12-inch stackable legs. It has a retainer bar, remote control features, adjustable base features. So the adjustable base features would be easy setup, child lock feature, Compatible with most platform beds and frames. Eliminates the need for a box spring. Lift capacity is 650 pounds. Remote control features, wireless remote, head and foot adjustability. Okay, the retainer bar and the 6 to 12-inch stackable legs. Oh yes, it says try me. You know I'll try it, right? Oh yes. So yeah, guys. And hey, the mattress, hey, this is a good deal on these mattresses here. Okay. So these are the Serta Beverly. The twin mattress only is $150. The full size is $210. The queen is $210. And the king is $450. Okay. And the Serta Beverly Firm mattress, it is $300 for the queen size. Oh yes. Nilo's accent chair, it is $300. That's the only information that I see on this chair, but I like this design. Ooh, nice cushion. Big blowout while supplies last. Okay. And oh, another blowout piece here, guys, is the sofa by the same company, Nilo sofa with pillows for $500 while supplies last. The 60-inch Glacier Oak TV stand is $250 compared to $469. Okay. The gold knobs on this one, nice. This 4-drawer rolling cart in white is $60. Oh yes. Smooth open and closing. And then this tray here is a 3-tier tray with the rollers. It is $30. That color is beautiful. Okay, guys, so we have another piece here. Is the American Home Hillview full bed for $329.98 compared to $690. It has the drawers. Ooh. And the nightstand, it is $90 compared to $149. They have the dresser over here to go with that bed. Oh yes, I'm glad I seen it. I don't see the price, the tag. Okay guys, so up there, this is a real living metal and oak folding desk in the color white for $80, and it is compared to $142. Ding, 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 ding. Really nice. Okay, guys, this cute little cabinet right here. It is in gray. It is $130. And it has 2 shelves. Okay. It has the mirror in the front. Really cute. Wood and metal side table. It is $60. Handcrafted in India. This one with the lights on the headboard. This one is by Ashley, and it is $450. This one has the bed. It also comes with the dresser for $400 and the nightstand for $180. This sleigh bed is by Ashley. It is $450. Another nice piece here, and they both have footboards and sideboards. The dresser to this one is $500 compared to $655. This sweet little headboard only, it is $170. Ashley. And yes, this bed is $450. The nightstand is $280. The chest is $400 and the dresser is $500. Yes, really sturdy, guys. This is the footboard on this one. Really sturdy. That industrial look. So yes guys, that is it here today at Big Lots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I'm telling you, I did. I can never get enough of this store. Alrighty guys, well hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share my content with others. Leave a comment guys and let me know which piece you like here the most. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.